Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to see Street View on Google Maps. So if you're navigating on Google Maps and you want to see how the street looks like in real, then let me show you how to enable Street View on Google Maps. So first you want to go ahead and open up Google Maps. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on this layer icon here at the top right. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find Street View, which looks like that. Now once you do this, this will color all the streets where Street View or the Google car has been driven there and taken some pictures of it. Now if I want to see this street, for example, I'll go ahead and tap on it and long press until I get this option here. So I'll go ahead and tap on this, and now this will give me a street view of that street. So using Street View, I can basically look at what type of buildings there are, if there is any parking there, if there's any way to go, or if there is any sidewalks. I can even see certain houses. However, some of the houses have been blurred as the owner has basically requested it to be blurred. And there you go, that is how to see Street View on Google Maps. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.